Mold and algae in home plant pots. Are mold and algae on the soil of your plant pots a common challenge for you? These issues can hinder the proper growth and beauty of your plants. In this video, we delve into the reasons for mold and green algae growth on the soil of home plant pots and provide solutions to eliminate these problems. Causes of mold and algae growth. Excessive moisture. High moisture in the soil can promote the growth of mold and algae. This typically occurs when the soil is overly wet and lacks proper ventilation. Poor ventilation. Inadequate ventilation in the pot, especially in pots with insufficient drainage holes, can create an environment conducive to mold and algae growth. Insufficient light. Lack of sufficient light can lead to the production of green algae in pot soil. Plants require adequate light for healthy growth, and in low light conditions, algae growth tends to increase. Solutions to eliminate mold and algae. Reduce moisture. Ensure that the potting soil has proper drainage and excess moisture is avoided. Improve ventilation. Use pots with adequate drainage holes to allow proper airflow within the pot. Provide adequate light. Ensure that your plants receive sufficient light, especially if you live in areas with low light conditions. By implementing these solutions, you can reduce mold and algae problems in your home plant pots and help promote the healthy growth of your plants. These simple measures can contribute to improving the quality of life for your potted plants.